a step-by-step method on how to set up your profile. This application is created for active people. Join, be active, and you will find the same as you. Now we are few, but soon you will be able to find company of like-minded for any type of event at any place on the planet. Create events, share to Facebook, call your friends. It will be very hot here soon. To start with, you have to open the application and get into the registration process. To get registered, you can log in via Facebook, Google, EPL, or register via mail. If you have a service you run, you can register as a service. For example, if you offer services that provide for the production of boards or equipment for a snowboard, or you render training services, register as a service so that you can drive publicity for service. While you have got registering of your service, you can indicate its location, your contact address, the name of the service, and a description of the service. But be sure to put tags, mark the types of services provided, and put an avatar for brand recognition. This way, you can have visitors rate your service and drop reviews, directly write to you while you respond to them. Below are the details that can be filled in after registration. You can register via mail as well as log in via a Facebook, Google, or Apple account. We fill in the mail, password, verification comes to the mail. Follow the link. Choose a photo, fill in your first name, last name, your age, and selected tags according to your interests. In choosing your tags according to interests, you are setting a restriction to the number of events that will be displayed in the news section. Therefore, if you are not interested in billiards, then it will not be displayed in the news feed for you. Now, after the registration, you move to the News section. In the News section, events will be displayed according to the interests, tags, you selected in the profile as events in which your friends participate. You can filter events by interest. You can also filter events based on your location. You'll choose a radius in kilometers from your location, and with this, you will get to see the events within your location. Once you open the event, you can see the map, join the event in its entirety, or opt for partial participation by choosing the one you want. To select an event, click on plus. You move to the search. Search for friends. You can find like-minded. Search by country, city, age, or interest. Just click to Add as Friend. Search for events. Find all open events by interest, not only nearby, but also by geotags. Click Map. Input New York, and click the checkbox. Automatically, the location has been added to the filter. Input a limit distance of 100 kilometers. After inputting your search, you'll see the result. You can watch the event, after which you can join the guys and write a message. Search for services. To choose services that are proximal to you, input location details. For instance, Denpasar search. The filter will show services and ratings within the area. Once you open these service, then you can see the rating and write you needed service. Events. In the Events section, you will see events that you created and those that you were a part of. You can see past events and invitations. Create an event. Give a name and write a description, and choose tags. We want to find a company. In Privacy, select Open. To create a route, type plus. You can choose a point or transport. Private trip. Start date, 18 September, 7 a.m. End date, 18 September. Description. Write the starting point. You can correct the point by clicking on the map. Point. Type surfing. You can share it into Facebook. You can also send an invitation to your friends. Now, over to the message section. All your correspondence is stored here, including friends and services. Go to More. Here is where you edit your profile. Click on the Name and Avatars area. Friend List. Set your friends list. You can send a message to a friend here. Calendar. You can look at the calendar so you don't forget about your plans. All your events are here. Feedback. For assistance or suggestions, contact with the tech support team. Settings. Click the Settings icon will help in configuring the notification and changing the language.